Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Instagram swipe reply option not working. For example, if you open your messenger and if you open a specific kind of chat and if you swipe to the right and if you want to simply get the reply to the person to that specific message and it is not showing to you, then how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply go back and close the Instagram app. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold your Instagram app, and after that you have to simply go to app info. You can do the same by simply going into the application manager and opening the Instagram. First thing you have to do, you have to simply force stop the app, and after that you have to simply click on OK. And after that, next thing you have to do, you have to simply clear the cache. And after clearing the cache, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you have to go for the next step, which is as you have to simply open the Play Store here, and in Play Store you have to simply search for the Instagram, and in Instagram you have to see whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Instagram, and after updating you have to simply update your messenger also. And after updating messenger and Instagram app, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go for the report for the problem. For this you have to click on the three line. After that you have to click on settings and privacy, and here you have to scroll it down and you can easily find the option of help, and you have to click on that, and here you can find the option of report problem, and here you have to click on report problem without checking, and here you have to click on continue. And after that you have to explain the problem to Instagram team that what is the problem you are having, and you can also attach the screenshot of the problem. After that you can simply click on send, and your problem will be sent to the Instagram team, and within few hours Instagram team will reply to you and solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. Can you subscribe our channel?